Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the closest match in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, I have prepared my data. I'm going to find the closest match of this value or the score from this score table. And I'm going to show you the formula we need to apply to find the closest match. And I'm going to show you the formula guys. You just need to follow the formula. You can use index function, and then you can select the range. This is the range for the score table, and use match and minimum and absolute, and insert the range again, and then you can select the target or the score or the value you want to find the closest match. Okay, and just follow this formula on your Excel and you will find the closest match. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find the closest match in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.